Before you start the experiment, you have to check the bubble in the back and see if it's in the circle. And if it's not, then you have to consult your TA and she'll fix it or he'll fix it. Alright.
Let's go.
I don't have a tape.
Let me cut this bar off, man. Alright.
Okay, start next.
Yeah, we'll cut the front off.
I thought we were.
I just poured it in there.
Doesn't matter.
Well, I'll do this one. You did that one. But sorry, you do this one. Sounds like a
Just cut up.
We'll cut the front off.
This is the angle of the balance, and it's very precise. It's used to measure the mass of the sample. And before you need to make sure that the balance levels come and go to the back.
You're doing fine.
If it is some of this balance level, make sure you have it on your site. Get balance. It's very sensitive. You can't lean on the bench or anything around your arms. Oh, and make sure the doors are closed before you take the air in there when you without the doors. You have two on the side. And this is what you have. Okay, you're free to exit it.
Before you start the experiment, you have to check the bubble in the back and see if it's in the circle. And if it's not, then you have to consult your TA and she'll fix it or he'll fix it. Alright. And then once you do that and you make sure it's in the middle, you begin the experiment. You start off by tiering the scale, make sure it's at 0. And once it is, you open the lid door and then you put the beaker inside. You close it because any wind, since the pressure is very sensitive, even like wind can like affect it. So once you do that, you record the mass, you take it out, always shut the door, always shut the door, always shut the door, alright.
This is really so okay.
Woo, got a video!
You get the water.
Yeah, that's what I guess in your last you can say make sure
Put it back in.
same balance
Make sure the door is closed. Record the weight in grams, and subtract it from the weight of the glass with just the glass. So you find the. Never mind.
Hey, Mozart.
We'll edit this out.
Four?
This is an example of what not to do while measuring. See how he's leaning against the table? That can affect the measuring. And the door opened, that can also affect it because of the wind. Can actually affect the scale since it's that sensitive. These are examples of human error and system error.
Alright, that's good.
So it's also important that you use the same scale throughout the whole experiment because you can tell that we're using a different scale. Earlier it was 72.282 and right now it's 70.410. So that proves how using a different scale throughout the experiment can affect your numbers.
Alright, be sure to record all measurements as you go through all experiments. To ensure accurate measurements, make sure to record to the thousandth decimal because that is the decimal point that the scale goes to.